Tell me this. Do you think Kiss has made the world a better place?
Of course it has. But the most
Shut up for a second. I gotta do this. Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Dug. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana Boozhoo, and I'm here with my guest, Krishnamurti. And we're just watching, Kiss videos on the internet. Hey, have you seen the Paul Stanley Folgers commercial? It's great. Okay, that's our word for today. I mean, I know I've talked about it before, but, whatever. Muckety mush kiki wabu. Muckety mush kiki wabu. Ni we ayan. Ni we ayan. Muckety mush kiki wabu. Muckety mush kiki wabu. Ni we ayan. Ni we ayan. I want my muckety mush kiki. Hey, did you want some coffee there? Hold on a sec. Anyway, we're going to watch this Folgers commercial because it's awesome. Yeah, I know. I can see you smiling there. You're so excited. All right, here's Paul Stanley in a Folgers commercial.
This is your wake-up call. Time to reach, go for it all. Folgers stirs inside of me, and I know what I can be. Limit is the sky. Hey world, watch me fly. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup.
You know, when people ask me why I like Paul Stanley, I mean, look at that. If this doesn't tell you why Paul Stanley is awesome, I can't help you. I mean, come on. Who else could do that commercial?
That's what I said. One has to be free of all the illusions that thought has created to see something really sacred which comes about through right meditation.
Yeah, that's really deep, but what'd you think about Paul Stanley?
No fear. The understanding of pleasure. The ending of sorrow. From that arises love, compassion, intelligence. And the process to that, we'll call it process for the moment, is part of meditation.
Uh-huh.
There is an ending of conflict, sorrow and all that, when one realizes, no, let's put it that way, when there is actual sensitive awareness of what one is, without any distortion, awareness of it, without any choice. Out of that, there's the ending of it, all this mess.
Yeah, no offense, Krishnamurti. I mean, you sound really smart and everything, but what you're saying is kind of obvious. Hey, well, that's all the time we have for today. I'd like to thank my my master of saying the obvious, Krishnamurti, to be on the show. And you've been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the great podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Giga Wabamin Minawa. Oh, yeah. What else do you want to watch, Krishnamurti? Have you seen that old 1977 Lost Alive 2 concert? Oh, it's great. Let's find it.
Say it to me, say it to me, say it. How long will you love